Jai Hind students, my name is Atmaram and in this video we will learn divisibility rules. The term divisible by, what does it mean? Divisible by means if you divide one number by another, the result is a whole number without a remainder. For example, if we divide 12 by 6, the quotient is 2 and there is no remainder. So here we can say 12 is divisible by 6. One more example, if we divide 15 by 5, then the quotient is 3 and there is no remainder. So here we can say 15 is divisible by 5. Now what are these divisibility rules? Rules to help you determine if the numbers are divisible by other numbers. The term divisible means if a number can be divided by another number with no remainder. So here we are going to learn divisibility rules for 2, 3, 5, 9 and 10. Divisibility rule for 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the number is even. Now even numbers are ends in 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Means the numbers which ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are even numbers. For example, 412. So at ones place there is 2. So the number is even. So it is divisible by 2. Same way in the second example, 230, 0 is at last place. So remember, to check the number is even or odd, we need to check the last place. So it's 0 here. So the number is even. Therefore we can say 230 is divisible by 2. Same way 516. Now divisibility rule for 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the number ends in a 5 or 0. Means if the last digit is 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. For example, 4000. So here the last digit is 0. So it is divisible by 5. Same way 215. The last digit is 5. So we can say 215 is divisible by 5. 355 divisible by 5. Now divisibility rule for 10. So a number is divisible by 10 if the number ends in a 0. Means if the last digit is 0, then we can say the number is divisible by 10. For example, 4000, 210, 50. So in these all numbers, the last digit is 0. So the numbers are divisible by 10. Now divisibility rule for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. To understand this, let's see one example. 354. So here, to check the number is divisible by 3 or not, we need to add all the digits of this number. So let's add it. 3 plus 5 plus 4 equals to 12. Now we know that 12 is divisible by 3 and there is no remainder. If we divide 12 by 3, 4 is the quotient and the remainder is 0. So therefore we can say 354 is divisible by 3. Now let's take a big number. 9,363,129. The number can be read as 93,63,129 in Indian system. So let's add all the digits. The addition is 33. Now we know that if we divide 33 by 3, the quotient is 11 and the remainder is 0. So here we can say 93,63,129 is divisible by 3. divisibility rule for 9. It is same like 3. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9. Let's take an example. 495. So let's add all the digits of this number. So the addition of the digits is 18. So if we divide 18 by 9, the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 0. So therefore we can say 495 is divisible by 9. Now take a big number, 9,99,918. Let's add all the digits of this number. So the addition is 45 and 45 is divisible by 9. So therefore we can say 9,99,918 is divisible by 9. Thank you for watching.